Also tonight, a wild chain of events has led to the mistrial of a Buffalo man charged with rape. The defendant is accused now of trying to run over the prosecutor outside the courtroom. News 4's George Rickard is live in the newsroom with more on this. George.
Well, the district attorney's office believes this to be an attempt to intimidate the prosecutor by a man who was just starting trial. 48-year-old William Payne of Buffalo is charged with rape, but had been free on $25,000 bail. Yesterday was the first day of jury selection in his trial. An assistant district attorney, Christy Ahlstrom, had stayed at work a few hours later to work on the case. She reports that as she left the courthouse last night at about 7 and crossed West Eagle Street, she noticed a black sedan on Delaware sitting still after the light had turned green. She began to cross Delaware. Ahlstrom says she took about 2 steps into the street when the car started moving into the intersection. She took 1 more step and says that car was coming straight for her. Ahlstrom says the car came within 2 feet of her and splashed water up her legs. She says she recognized the driver as William Payne, the man she's prosecuting.
I showed up here without knowing what was coming.
Payne's attorney, Joe Agro, says he knew nothing about this allegation until this morning in court when prosecutors brought it to the attention of Erie County Court Judge Kenneth Case. He not only revoked bail so Payne goes back to the Erie County Holding Center, but honored a defense request to declare a mistrial in the rape case.
There's a ton of legal issues that could potentially surface during the course of a trial, given what's been put on the record here today. I think this was kind of a curveball for everybody involved here, everybody. Yeah, so sometimes it takes maybe a couple minutes, an extra hour or so to get things right, but I think it was the right thing to do today.